Hi Seekers, happy Wednesday. This is Mitsu again. So today we're gonna keep doing our step by step. Today we only have one shape to do, which is a hexagon. This is a hard shape to draw. So let's count how many sides we have on a hexagon. All right, let's start from this line on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hexagon has 6 sides. Alright, so today we're going to learn how to do step by step to draw a hexagon. So remember, the first thing we're going to do is to draw a dot. Make sure you have a dot on your paper. And from this dot, we're going to make a straight line. When you finish making this line, put a dot on the end. Okay, so we're going back to the first dot. We're going to make a line on the side. We're going to open the line a little bit. Are we going to go straight down? No, we're not going to make a straight down line. We're going to make a line that opens on the side a little bit, like that. All right, after you finish making the line, put a dot on the end. Now, so this is step 1, step 2. So now we're going back to step 1 to the other dot. So from this dot, we're going to make a line on the other side. It goes outside a little bit, right? Does it go straight down like this? No, it goes outside a little bit. So let's erase that. All right, so this is step 3. All right, step 4 is we're going to step 2, the dot in the end. We're going to make a line that goes in a little bit. Does it go straight like that? No. It goes from this dot, it goes in a little bit, okay? So this is step 4. Now we're going back to step 3 to find the dot on the end. We're going to make a line that goes in a little bit. Again, does it go straight like that or does it go out like that? No, it goes in a little bit, okay? So that's step 5. Okay, so step 6 is we are going to close it. That's step 6. So in order to make a hexagon, we need 6 steps because hexagon has 6 sides. Good job, Seeker. Keep practicing making shapes at home, okay? Have a great day. Bye, guys. Thank you for supporting us.